Welcome. In this video we are going to learn fping information gathering tool called Linux. Fping is a ping-like program which uses ICMP protocol to determine if a host is up. Fping is different from ping in that you can specify any number of hosts on the command line or specify a file containing a list of hosts to ping. Instead of trying one host until it timeouts or replies, fping will send out a ping packet and move on the next host in a round-robin fashion. If a host replies, it is noted and removed from the list of hosts to check. If a host does not respond within certain time limit or retry limit, it will be considered unreachable. Let's open our terminal and type fping -h. Here you can see that basic usage fping options target -a show the targets that alive, -A show the target by the address, -b an amount of ping data to send in bytes, -bf set exponentially backoff factor of f, and so on. Now let's find target domain is alive or not. Type fping -a google.com. Here you can see that we get response as google.com. This means google.com is alive. Type fping -a amithuddar1478.com. Here you can see that amithuddar1478.com name or server is not known. Fping to also check domain IP address is alive or not. Type fping -a 173.194.36.14. You can see that 173.147 IP address is alive. Let's find the target by address using -a option. Type fping -a google.com. You can see that IP address of Google is 172.217.26.206 is alive. Let's show elapsed time on return packets using -e option. Type fping -e google.com. Google.com is alive and it took 86.9 milliseconds. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.